how to find my Instagram profile URL link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find my Instagram profile URL link. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, there you'll see the button labeled as share profile. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, what you can do is you can just tap on this option that says copy link. So simply tap on it, and now here, once you have copied the link of your profile, you can simply go back and you can simply open Messenger app or any messaging apps, or you can just open the Notes app as well, and there you can simply paste the link that you have copied before, and this is your profile URL link. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.